Hello everyone, welcome to Informer JJ. Today in this video we are gonna give the information about the kiwi fruit. We all know the kiwi fruit, but unknown interesting facts? No. So let's start this video. Don't worry about calories because an average size of kiwi fruit which weighs around 2.7 ounce has only 46 calories and just contains 0.01 ounce of fat. So a cup of kiwi fruit has around 118 calories and only 7.7 of them calories are from fats. When you think about kiwi fruit, you probably envision a small round greenish fruit, but that is not necessarily correct. They come in various size, shape, hairiness, color, and also their flesh can vary in color, juiciness, texture, and taste. There are many, but the Sanchiton comes from a British Columbia, has slightly more rectangular shape, and it's just as sweet, but the inner core of the fruit can be bit rougher and blade. There are also a kiwi berry which are small or grape-sized fruit. They are edible and have smaller taste and appearance to the normal kiwis, but have a smooth skin. These kiwi grow very quickly and are grown by variety names such as baby kiwi, grape kiwis or cocktail kiwi, etc. and lot more. Golden kiwi fruit is another species that is significantly different from the commonly imagined kiwi fruit. This kiwi fruit is smooth bronze colored skin and the color of the flesh it can range from the typical bright green to the shade of yellow. These golden kiwi fruit are much sweeter and more aromatic. This species is usually expensive more than the normal kinds of kiwi fruit. These three kiwi fruit are just looking like the three minions. This is just a joke, not a fact. An average size of kiwi fruit also contains 0.09 ounce of dietary fiber, which is very important for the proper functioning of your digestion system. A smaller, more oval shape that doesn't taste quite as deliciously as many other kiwi fruit. So nearly 60 species of kiwi fruits are there. Kiwis were first originated in China, but are grown and eaten all over the world, even though in some parts, kiwis are called as Chinese gooseberries. The kiwi got its name very quickly and came to New Zealand, American market and finally everywhere. But nowadays 70% of kiwi fruit production takes place in Italy, New Zealand and China. But China, the homeland of kiwi fruit, was not a major production country. Kiwis are not only used for only taste snacks in China as medicine and mainly to children to fascinate their growth, as well as women who are recently given birth. The reason in the order to speed up their recovery. Raw kiwi fruits are rich in proteins dissolving enzyme called actinidine, which is commercially useful as meat tenderizing. However, the enzyme in kiwi fruit is also what makes them unsuitable for use of dishes. The best way to select perfect kiwi fruit for your pantry is by holding them between your thumb and forefingers and gently apply pressure. The sweetest kiwi which will perfectly consumption will gently add to the pressure, but don't put very strong pressure effect. But the popular belief is the size of the kiwi is not related to its quality, so you can simply pick one of you like the most. Some people are allergic to the kiwi fruit and therefore can't enjoy this amazing taste. The main substance to blame for this acting for the people is that kiwi fruit contains calcium oxalate crystal in the form of rapid, so people get allergy. Kiwi fruit have many superpowers that they are rich in vitamin C. So kiwi fruit is benefit effect for those who have caused by asthma or wheezing. Kiwi fruit help to protect DNA from oxygen related damage. A Python nutrient research certain component in kiwi fruit helps to protect the DNA. I have said that kiwi fruit have many superpowers, that is they can actually make your skin look more beautiful. It means they can help you to stay beautiful and relaxed. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for more information.